So I got this 2015 Equinox that hit a trailer hitch and it pushed the whole bumper in, destroyed the radiator and condenser, cracked the grille, and has a lot of work to just replace those parts and get this thing back on the road. One thing that I just ordered and received today was this Tong Yang brand replacement grill for the upper portion of the grill. Now, this is really well made. You can tell from the plastics, you can almost see that it has a little bit of give to it. It's not super brittle and dry like the old one was. The plastics have some pretty good feel to them. And it also comes with the whole trim ring as well. So you don't have to order any individual parts. It all comes included. And this also has that top shelf that is used to connect to that black piece that fits right here. So when you do this, it becomes the whole front of the top part of the bumper, the plastic wraparound bumper. When this clicks in, it becomes the top section of it, and you get the whole thing all complete in one. So I would definitely recommend it. I went and checked all of the snaps and the connectors, even these two round ones, one on each side, are exactly the same as factory. This part is just in good quality, if not better than what I saw from the factory. So I would definitely have no qualms ordering this again. It came at a great price, and be able to put this car back together myself made it so easy ordering it online. I had it here in 2 days. So they did really well shipping this out. So, hey, I would definitely recommend. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope it was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.